Good evening everyone, my name is Joshua Cabello. We will share about three properties and definitions. What is the three properties and definition? So, introduction. The three in computer science is hierarchical data structure that consists of nodes connected by edge. It has following the key properties. I can give you example about three properties and definitions. The example is I give you example about three properties and definitions. Example: parents and children. Parents is root, and then for example, five variables: A, B, C, D, E. E is root, and B and C are children of E, and E is their parents, and 3, D and E are children of B, and last is D, E, and C are left nodes. So ang D, E, C is the children. So it means wala sila'y anak.